back. We're working on YUZHEN's Fairyland Japanese miniature. It's really cute. Last time we worked on this little tea table. I have a little teapot on it, 4 cups, a cloth, and a book. It's adorable. And we're going to move on and work on this chair. So we need bag H. I believe we'll need all these pieces. We need H15. They look like a bunch of peas. There's 4 of them. We need H18. Look like horseshoes. We need H16. There's squares with some decorative cuts in them. We need H17. They look like H's. There's 4 of them. And then these 2 little pieces are H19. We also need our cloth again and our cardboard. That is in bag M, both of those. We'll also need our patterns. Those I put in the center here. We'll need M04-3, which is right here. There's 2 of them. That will be for our cardboard. And we also need M01-3, which is here. So here's our little cardboard pieces right here. I've just been tossing the little patterns off onto another pile. Put this back in bag M. And for the cloth, I've been cutting these out and tracing around them. First, we want to take one of the H15s, the upside down P, and one of the H17s, which looks like the letter H, and glue it so. And we also want to put one here. So we'll have something that looks like that. Next, you want to glue another P on top of here. So we're going to be making 2 of these. So we'll set that aside and we'll do another one. So now we have 2 of those. Back to the more dry one. And we want to take H16 And there's a little cutout in the corners. And that goes between these two. Okay, let's put a little glue down, just a little. You don't need much. You want these decorative cuts up. So that goes in there. This would be a good time to make sure everything's aligned well. And then we're going to take H19 and glue that opposite of the small piece that was put between, right on top. Like that. Now this is the back. Next, we want to take H18 and glue it like that. So cute. Next, we want to wrap our little pieces of cardboard. And there we have them. Two cute little pink chairs with cushions. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for coming. See you next time.